Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to resolve QuickBooks login issues. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're unable to sign into your account, follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem and regain access. First, open a private or incognito window in your browser. Once it is opened, go to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Try logging in from there. If the login works, the issue is likely related to your browser's stored data. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Go to three dots at the top right of your browser and open your browser settings. Then, go to Privacy and Security section and then select Delete Browsing Data. Here, you can select the date range as well, select cached files and cookies, and complete the process. Once finished, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying to sign in again. If the problem continues, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Open the browser menu again and go to Settings. Then go to the About or Help section and install any available updates. After updating, restart the browser and attempt to log in again. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent QuickBooks from completing the sign-in process. Confirm that other websites are loading properly, and if needed, switch to a more stable network connection before trying again. And that's it. So that's basically how you can resolve QuickBooks login issues. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.